How to download and install TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly download and install TikTok on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install TikTok on an Android device, but the process should be very similar for other devices. So first, head over to the Play Store. Then tap the search button in the top of the screen and then type in TikTok. Tap the TikTok app when it appears in the search results and now tap on Install. If prompted, you'll need to enter your password or enter in your ID to confirm that you want to download the app. TikTok will then be installed on your device. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the TikTok app. And that's all it takes to download and install TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.